Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add an external team member as a collaborator during hiring with easy.jobs. Let's get started. From the easy.jobs dashboard, navigate to the Jobs tab in the left side panel. Next, go to the job from the list in which you want to add an external collaborator. Click on the corresponding collaborator button. Now, hit the Add New Collaborator button on the top right. Provide the email address of the external team member. Toggle to enable the job permissions like Manage Job and Publish Job. Also, enable permissions like delete or remove candidates and organize candidates as required. Click on the Save and Continue button to proceed. The external member will then be added as the collaborator according to your selected settings. Let's see how to collaborate as an external team member after getting added. Once you have added, you will receive an invitation email and your email address. Here, click on the Accept button to move to the next step. You will now find the company name along with your name in the top right corner. Go to the Jobs tab in the left side panel. You will then find the job to which you have been added as a collaborator. Click on the Candidates button to monitor the job's candidates. As you can see, the collaborator can view the candidate list based on our selected settings. The collaborator will have permission for other activities as per other settings. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hope you find the perfect candidates for your company using easy.jobs.